As the UK recovers from damage left by the St Jude storm on Monday, other countries further afield have also been experiencing extreme weather conditions. In Australia, parts of Sydney were hit by strong winds, travelling up to 100 kilometres an hour on Tuesday, with local news networks showing pictures of trees having fallen over, in one case trapping 2 people in their car for over an hour. They were eventually freed from the wreckage and taken to hospital with neck and back injuries, with the city's residents remaining on high alert for further strong winds.